In today's video, we start a new series aboard the fantastic MSC World America. We sail out of the port of Miami and head to the ports of Puerto Plata, San Juan, and MSC's private island, Ocean Key Marine Reserve. In this series, we will take you around the entire ship and feature the food with specialty and complimentary dining reviews, the fun like the kids club, pools, and included thrills, the entertainment like deck parties and shows in the 2 theaters on board, and maybe even a secret speakeasy. I invite you to strap in, subscribe, and get ready for an amazing new cruise series aboard the MSC World America. Well, hello, good morning, and welcome back to Here Today,
Where Tomorrow.
And today we are boarding the MSC World America. We are super excited to bring you guys an entire week aboard this beautiful, massive new ship. We have a really cool balcony to show you guys. Let's go ahead and let's get on board the MSC World America. So this is the brand new terminal, AA, in Port of Miami, and I will say it is a huge terminal. Now, as you see in these video clips, everything moved. We continually moved nonstop throughout this entire boarding process. And as you see here, there's no one sitting around. Now, our arrival time was 12:30, so if you come super early, you might have to sit around a little bit. But more so than not, especially when it comes to Miami, I suggest arriving a little bit later. That way you don't have to deal with any of the traffic, and honestly, you get right on board these ships. Once we boarded this beautiful ship, we were greeted with this beautiful atrium with these amazing LED panel ceilings. I've had some gripes with the quote-unquote smart elevators on MSC ships, but honestly, on the World America, they did a really good job. Now we're going to head to our room. If you'd like to check out a full in-depth video where I open every drawer and push every button, I will leave a link above in a card for you to go check out the video. Here's just a really quick flyby. This was room 10281, which was a deluxe balcony room with promenade and ocean view. Really enjoyed our balcony. We had a great time out there and got to see so much on the promenade, but also of the back of the ship. And that promenade was really cool. Now let's go explore the ship a little bit. Okay, so we are on board. Wow, that was, why would you have all the people directing right there when you walk in the door? You have thousands of people trying to come in one gangway. So I think the other gangway was specifically for ADA people or maybe yacht club people. But I mean, you have thousands of people coming in this one gangway, and as we turn the corner, you have 6 people ready to stop us and talk to us. Let us get out into the main atrium, then talk to us. You're telling us where to go, which is fine. The problem is, you want us to go do our muster station. We have to go to our room to get our keys. You don't want us staying in the room because they're still being cleaned. And then we're going to take those keys at the door to then go do our muster drill. But we have to watch a safety video on our phone. It's currently not working no matter how hard I try, and I'm connected to the internet and everything else works. So not the best start, but it is a beautiful ship. So let's go to our muster station and see if there's a way we can bypass the video on my phone and then go get some food. So we found our muster station just outside of the casino and was able to watch the safety video and check in now that we have our key cards. Then it was time for us to go get some lunch at the Mercato Buffet. So of course, washi, let's go get some grub. So the World America has 2 buffets. Deck 18 is buffet breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Deck 19 is a buffet for breakfast and lunch, closed for the yacht club in dinner. Pretty standard buffet layout as far as MSC goes, and of course you have the people that have no idea how a line works and literally walk backwards through the line as everyone's trying to move from right to left. Anyways, we got some grub. It's time to sit down and enjoy. That was more difficult than usual. A lot of people in the way. Obviously, Embarkation Day buffet is always the busiest day of the buffet, and it's never that busy again. But it is currently busy in the buffet, so I just grabbed a few little things here. Madison was starving, so we just kind of made a quick sandwich for her, and I just got a couple little things. So nothing crazy to write home about, but I am looking forward to the pizza. The buffets kind of split. Each section is like a different thing. Like this is tacos, this is build your own sandwich, this is like general grill stuff. And we didn't make it to the pizza stuff yet. So once we make it to the pizza stuff, then we'll be getting some pizza. I'm super excited about the MSC pizza. So that's one of my favorite things aboard an MSC ship is the pizza. So should be great. We found the pizza. And I'm holding in my hand a barbecue chicken pizza. Let's see if MSC still lives up to its pizza specialty.
Let's see if this cheese pizza still lives up to its name on the chocolate. Very cheesy, but also very soft crusted, which is very good. So I would give this 10 stars.
After that delicious food in the buffet, we decided to head down to the main promenade and schedule some more food with the specialty dining, which you will see in a later video. After that, it was time to get Madison checked into the kids club.
Hello, and we are going to explore the mini club in Doremiland.
Okay, let's go. Show me.
So we walked into Doremiland, went into one of their big kids' room, and filled out all of the registration. Then once we got her all checked in and approved, we got to tour around the kids' club, including the amazing Lego room, which there were some really, really cool art pieces there. And we got to check out some of the other rooms as well. Madison had a great time here all week. She really, really loved the kids' clubs. After the kids' club, we walked around exploring the ship a little bit more around their harbor area. Then we headed to the main pool area for, of course, the Sailaway party.
Well, we have made it here to the main dining room. We're sitting at a two-person table, but the two-person table is that far from other two-person tables, so not very private, but we'll see if anyone shows up. Hopefully no one shows up, because we are really kind of tucked back in the corner here. But yeah, we have made it here. I will throw the menu up here so you can check it out. Madison's going to have a different kids menu, and I will throw that up here as well.
Is the chocolate cake one piece or all whole?
One piece. One piece.
The whole cake? No.
The whole cake, this one,
No.
like this.
Yeah, it's just one piece. But
Yeah, one piece. Thank you
perfect.
so much.
Thank you. Okay, and then if I will have the mozzarella stuffed meatball
Okay.
and the Caesar salad
Okay.
and the shrimp cocktail,
Okay.
and then I will have the grilled calamari steak,
Okay.
and I will do the crema catalina.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Thank you.
How is it?
Texas or Kansas? Texas, right there. That's right. Look, we got public schools. You know what I'm saying? Right there. I like that. I like that. Right. Who else? Right. From Chile. I like your peppers. Yes. Welcome to Momentum.
Our race is always against time. This is our time. This is momentous.
It was here at the first act where they started to have some sort of technical issue or safety issue, and so they stopped the show completely. Then they restarted the show. Then I heard the announcement that they don't want you to film, so I stopped filming. And it was getting late anyways, so I went to go pick up Madison from the kids club. Of course, we found a little friend on the way back to the room.
All right, so I went and picked up Madison from Doremiland, and we are back in the room now. It is 8:30. We need to do the whole shower. I need to unload all the cameras and stuff, and we need to get ready for a sea day tomorrow. We'll have plenty of time to do late night pizza in the future. I'm just absolutely exhausted. Yeah, all the palm trees are doing all the lights. All these little light things. They're actually doing a show, not right now, but they just finished a show where they show a bunch of lights and stuff. But yeah, tomorrow is a sea day, so we're gonna sleep in a little bit and then probably go do sea day brunch, of course. Madison and I had a wonderful time here aboard the World America for our first day, kind of half day on board, and we are looking forward to the next couple of days on this huge, amazing, beautiful ship. So I'm going to ask you to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so anytime I upload a video on this or any other cruise series, you will be notified, all right? Well, my name's Rob from Here Today, Where Tomorrow, and we will see you there.
If you like this video and want to see more, please head on over to the channel and subscribe. I post new cruising videos every week.